So we are here with Roger Schroder from CARPARTcom. So Roger, what's your company showcasing at CCIF this weekend?
We integrate with the estimating system so that if somebody's looking for parts for their repair on their car, we automatically show them all the parts that are on the estimate, where they can locate them at salvage yards, and they're green parts, so they save the environment and they save a lot of money.
Awesome. So what you got set up here, just sort of showcasing everything?
Yeah, this kind of shows you what the results look like when somebody's looking for a part. It gives them all the contact information and the price and the condition and things like that, so they can decide if they can use that on their repair job.
Awesome. So what's something you're excited to see here at CCIF today or tomorrow?
Well, just interacting with a lot of the people is good, and we also we wrote interchange for 100 parts that nobody had before, so it makes it better to find more parts for their car, and it's just talking to all the shops and the insurance adjusters here.
Yeah, awesome. So in terms of the future of the industry, we just entered a new year. Do you have any predictions for trends or something that would sort of define 2020 for the industry? What would you say?
I think as far as the parts that people buy and replace on the car, they're shifting. And they used to buy carburetors and alternators, and now they're buying computer boxes and batteries instead of an engine. They buy a battery for hybrids, and it's a lot of change going on with the components of the self-driving cars and things like that.
Yeah,
so.
For sure. Well, awesome. Thank you so much. So have a great time today and tomorrow night.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. This was a Media Matters production. If you liked what you saw, subscribe for more or check out our other videos.